do you believe that 2025 was more of a valuation reset for Indian markets, or you think it's a start of a longer consolidation phase in equities?
I think it's the start of a longer consolidation phase in equities because see, FIS sold roughly 1.5 to 1.6 lakh crore. DIS bought 7.5 lakh crore.
Right.
So that's 5 times the amount that they sold. But still, right, you found that the DIS buying meant the valuation never came reasonable from an FIS perspective. So this constant DII buying, why it supports from a volatility perspective, it supports that sharp corrections are not there to scare the investor away. It also means that valuation never become reasonable from an FII perspective. Even today, after a year of fairly not so great performance, the market has still not reached the 5 year. We are still overvalued even on a historic 5 year.
5 year
So
average.
that valuation reset has not happened yet. So what it then indicates is a period of consolidation in terms of the returns from the market, because FIIs will be hesitant to come in strong numbers unless there is a big trigger to which makes things favorable to India. So I think you should, as an investor, be prepared for a decent consolidation rather than there being any valuation reset which will lead to a new uptick. No.
Right. So that is why I think, because domestic investors invested 7.5 lakh crores. That is why if you see large caps performed, I think that money went into the large caps, but mid and small caps didn't perform because the money didn't go in that sector.
Which is where I think the reason for the consolidation I expect is again that DIS had a choice of buying large, mid, or small, but they chose to buy large. So you see, I think that clearly tells you that even domestic fund managers felt that mid and small caps were overvalued. So I
Yeah.
think the fund managers, they say, they walk the talk. So it means that their actions speak louder than words.
Right. Right.